The best way to find hazards is by doing a safety and health inspection. There are several ways to do inspections. Some are thorough, top to bottom, inside-out inspections on facilities, vehicles, forklifts, and machinery. Another important inspection is the quick scan. Everyone should get into the habit of doing quick visual surveys of any area they walk or drive into, no matter where you work, in an office, a machine shop, factory, store, your home, garage, or basement. Anywhere and every place can have safety obstacles. Here are some things to look for. Every work area should have 2 exits clearly visible. Are all the exits unblocked, unlocked, and clear on the outside of the door? Where are the 2 nearest fire extinguishers? Are they charged, properly mounted, and easily accessible? If there are mats or carpeting, are the mats flat all around with no upturned edges that are trip hazards? Are there any flaws in the carpeting that could catch someone's foot while walking? Are there any spills or wet spots on the floor that could cause someone to slip and fall? If you are using stairs, are they clear of obstacles, fitted with sturdy handrails and non-slip treads? Is the lighting sufficient for the work being done? Is the work area properly ventilated? Does the work area require personal protective equipment like safety eyewear, steel-toe footwear, skid-resistant shoes, gloves, or other PPE? Are there loud noises that will require earplugs? Any obstructions or obstacles in the walking surfaces like holes, uneven pavement, cords, tools, debris, or anything else that could cause a slip, trip, or fall? If you are going to be working in or around any electrical equipment, is the area where you will be working clean and dry? Finally, and perhaps one of the most important issues, is all work in the area being performed safely? Do you see anyone doing an unsafe work practice or taking unnecessary risks? It is important to comment on unsafe work practices because people who care less for their own safety could care less about you. If you were a passenger in a car driven by someone who refused to wear a seatbelt, would you feel safe? By the same token, if another person is willing to take unnecessary risks in your work area, they make the entire place unsafe for everybody. They can even destroy your workplace, putting you out of a job. Thanks for watching, and have a safe day.